everyone, this is video 6 part 4 where we are going to discuss dictionaries. So dictionaries are the collection in which we have key and value, these two elements present. So a key represent how we can access the value of dictionary element. So let us see how we can access the value. So I have taken a dictionary dict1 over here, and then I have taken roll number as my key value, which is associated with the value 10. Similarly, name as key and Vijay as value. Similarly, course as key and btech as value. So let us access the name first. So what we are going to get is Vijay. So we have got the name which is associated with the key value name. Similarly, if we replace this name with roll number, we will get 10. This is how we can access the value from the dictionary. Suppose we want to add another element in the dictionary. At that time we have to use dict1 and in square bracket or rectangular bracket we have to write the key name, and we can add the tuple also as a value in the dictionary. So we will take physics, chemistry and maths as subjects. So if we add that, and if we want to display the dict1 dictionary, let us see what is the result. So we have got roll number as 10, name as Vijay, course as btech and subjects as chemistry, physics and maths. So how to iterate over dictionary, that is a very crucial part. So we have a for loop, then we will see the key value and the value in dictionary items. So dictionary items is dict1 dot items, and we will place a rounded bracket in front of it, then semicolon, colon, and then we will print key, we will make a formatted string for that, key, and in front of key we will put value. So let us see what is the output of this program. So here we have got roll number 10, name as Vijay and course btech and subject physics, chemistry, maths. So what is nested dictionary? So in nested dictionary is dictionary in dictionary. So here we have one dictionary where computer science mark and data structure marks are mentioned, and the name of the student is taken as key over here. Similarly, Ashish has got 95 marks in CS and 100 marks in DS. So this is how we can create dictionary in dictionary. So again we will iterate through this dictionary for, let us make short form of key and value in students dot item then rounded bracket colon, and we will access again, let us take nested for loop here. So for k1 comma v1 in, now the nested dictionary has value as a dictionary, so we will write v dot items rounded bracket colon and print. Here we will take one more print statement, print k and here we will take formatted string, where first we will put k1 and here we will put v1. So let us run this program. So Shiv has got 90 marks in CS and 89 in DS. Ashish has got 95 in CS and 100 in DS. So this is how we can iterate over nested dictionary also. So let us write one program where we have to find out cubes of odd numbers present in 1 to 10. So naturally first we will see how we can find out the cubes. So first of all we will create a dictionary called cubes of odds, where we will take a number x and its cube as value. So number x is its key and number x cube is its value. For, it is just like list comprehension, for x in range 1 comma 10, and we have to see whether that number is odd or not. So x remainder operator 2 is not equal to 0. So this is how we can create a dictionary, and let us print this dictionary. So let us run this program. So we have got 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 as odd numbers in the dictionary, and their cubes are present in front of them as values of the dictionary. So this is how we have ended with dictionary. Thank you very much.